Hello friends, today we will start maths class 6 maths chapter 1 knowing our numbers. In this first introduction is given with what is natural number. Natural number is counting numbers are called natural numbers. Example 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are called your natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers. And whole numbers means we can add 0 and natural number is your whole number. When 0 will be there, that is your whole number. Okay, so you had to understand natural number and whole number easily. So in Indian place value chart, there is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. But in international there is ones. What is there? See, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million and billion. Okay, so we have to understand. So let's come in exercise 1.1, that is number 1 is your fill in the blanks. Number 1 is your exercise 1.1, that is your number 1 is your fill in the blanks. So 1 is your 1000 is equal to dice tens. To find the tens, how much? First we will write 1000. Okay, we had written. So tens asking now when we will count ones. So tens means this. We can see from here also. We can see from here also. Okay, tens but 2 zeros. So we will write 2 zeros and 1 will be here. This much tens. Okay. Now number 2 is you 1 lakh is equal to dice 100. Okay, what will be? We will write 1 lakh. In 1 lakh how many zeros? Like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so 5 zeros. So 100 is coming here. Okay, so 3 zeros: 1, 2, 3, this much 100. Okay, it is easy, so you can make these questions. See, I am showing you the questions. You are showing only. See, 1 crore is equal to dice, 1 crore is equal to dice million, 1 crore is equal to dice. Now coming number 2, that is your place commas correctly and write the numerals. So 1 is your 67 lakh. Okay, 67 lakh. So we had written 67. Now 82,000 comma 82,000. Okay, now 601. One more comments. How we can insert commas in Indian place value chart? How? See, if here is no 100, like example 100 million, billion is not there, it is lakh. Lakh is on your in Indian place value chart. In international there is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, these are in international. So here is no international system is followed. So we have to do in Indian system. In Indian system any number is there, like 7, 2, 8. This is a number. Okay, we have to insert commas after ones, tens, 100. After 100 we put comma in Indian system, and after 2,000, 1,000 and 10,000 we insert comma. If here is more, lakh also, okay, then we will crore also, then we will insert commas. So now we have to write numerals only, not number name. So I had written the numerals of number 1. One more I am telling you, number 2, that is your 8 crore 7 lakh 69. 8 crore 7 lakh 69. So 8 crore we had written. Now 7 lakh, where is 10 lakh place? No. So we will 0, 7, then 79 it is, means 1000 place is also not there. So we will write 0, 0. Once 100 place is not 0, and then you will write 79. After 100 we have ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, and it is your crore. Okay, so number 3. So you do, so only 2 I had sent, you practice on your home this 2. So number 3 is your insert commas suitably and write the number's name according to Indian system of numeration. Here it is said only Indian system of numeration. So we have to do, so number 1 is your, see, 5, 8, 4, 2, 6, 9, 7, 3. So I had written, this is only here and here. So first we have to insert commas and we have to write in this number name also. So in Indian system I had already told what will be. First we will write 5, 8, 4, 2, 6, 9, 7, 3. Okay, this is. So after 3, ones, tens, 100. Then after 2 here. Then after 2 here. Means we will write like this. 5 crore, 84 lakh, 26,973 is your answer. Now number 2 is your, okay, leave number 2, I am telling number 3. Number 3 is your 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 0, 8, 7. So how we will insert? After 3, means after 3, then 2, then 2, then 1. 7 crore, 77 lakh, 1000 is not here, 0, sorry, 87. And we have to write her number name also. Example, I am writing 1. This is okay. See, I am writing 5 crore, 84 lakh, 26,000, okay, 26,000. Then here I am writing 973. Okay, like this you have to write. This is also here 7 crore, 77 lakh, 87. We will not read this 0, 0, 0. Okay, so let's write the numbers name. So what will be the this? Okay, so 7 crore, 77 lakh, 87, this number name. Now come in last question, number 4. See, last it is insert commas suitably and write number names according to international system. Okay, so number 1 is your 87653097. Okay, leave number 1. Okay, because 1 and 2 I am telling only. Okay, 3 and 4 I am telling here. 3 and 4. 3 number is your. If you want this both also, then I will give you, write in comment box what in when I am showing book, and extra you can also ask related to the exercise. Okay, this type of question. So this is your. So in this what we have to do? Insert comma according to international. Now we have to do international. How we are doing? See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, sorry, 100 million. Okay, billion, etc. was there. So we will insert comma after 3, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, sorry, here, then here. So see here, ones, tens, 100, here will be comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 here and here. So what will be the commas? 77,784,203. The number name of this will be 77 million 784,000 203. Okay, so you had understand this one. I had already told you do these 3. So I am showing you questions once again, everyone. See, this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. From all question I had explained. So if you like this video, then please like, subscribe. Bye bye. And in next video I will explain you exercise 1.2. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon.